Hey, welcome back. Another day in the life of the Grimwards. We got a little small project we're doing today. So I am by no means a master carpenter. What we're doing is, the way the sun comes over the house and hits the pool, we need a little bit of shade, but we don't want to like close everything in, not let any of the sun get to the pool or us, but we do want a little bit of shade. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a little frame right here and put some lattice on it, and then we'll probably stain it later on. But this is just going to be a guard for when the sun goes over, we can move this thing around, and then we can have a little shade while we're in the pool. All right, so back another day in the life of the Grimwards. Gonna see some of this painting or staining. This is a Valspar stain. I do not like painting. I'm not good at it at all. So, this is not a Harbor Freight, but it's a different, you can order it online. It's got a 2.0 tip. It's a bigger tip. This is the kind of stuff that I don't mind doing because I have my compressor already for the house. I can come right here. This takes all the work out of it really for me. So we picked out a color, which is one of those crazy things when you're looking at a little chip of what it's going to look like. This kind of looks like yellow wood. I mean, it's all treated except the top piece, but we wanted to put something on it just so it would be protected because it's going to be out here on the patio. But that's, you got to see some of the before. This is some of the after. I'm going to probably put another coat on this lattice just to make sure I got all the little nooks and crannies. But this is the way that I like to paint things. This makes it so much easier. But yeah, that's about it. So we're going to finish wrapping this up and hey, welcome back. Day in the life of the Grimwards. So we're closing out on our little privacy fence thing here. So now we got the pool. Pool is in full activation here. So we have our little privacy thing we built. So we had multiple ideas, multiple designs, but this is what we came up with. We might add some hooks. We might have some ivy. We might have fake plants. We might fill in some of this lattice. I don't know. Yeah, so, and then we picked this color simply by a little cube. But, so, just keep that in mind. If you're going to do something like this, this was like a cedar color or something. Remember what it was?
It was like a golden cedar.
Golden cedar, and it's very gold. So, when you look at that little chip at Lowe's, Home Depot, wherever you're buying your paint, just be cognizant that this is awfully gold, but we're going to let it ride and we're going to go with it. But here it is. So like I said, we got our concrete bucket so we can move it around, and that's pretty much it. So this is the wrap up on our little, you might see it later on in other videos with things added, hooks, whatever. It's going to have accessories
as it comes to us. We'll just do it.
Right, we're going to add accessories. So, but anyway, just closing out with that. So if you like it, you like the idea, whatever, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.